An eyelid lift can make a huge impact on the quality of life and appearance of a patient. Often, you'll know if you're a good candidate for a blepharoplasty or an eyelid lift if your upper eyelid skin starts to hang down and even touch the eyelashes, or with the lower lids, you may start to look very puffy or tired. So quite frequently, a patient will come to me and say they're sick of people asking them why they're so tired even though they're getting a good night's sleep. Also, women will frequently tell me that they're no longer able to put eyeshadow on because where they put the eyeshadow on their upper eyelids changes once the excess skin hangs down and rubs that eyeshadow away. Functionally, sometimes people will have problems with something called visual fields. So the eyelid skin and sometimes the eyebrows will hang down so much over the eyes that a person is unable to see. When eyelid drooping or brow drooping has progressed so much that you're now having trouble seeing from the sides of your eyes or when you look up, then you know that it's time for surgery. And an eyelid lift in conjunction or alone with a brow lift can be very helpful. If the procedure is more extensive or if additional procedures are also performed, then I recommend that we do the surgery at Mass Eye and Ear. Sometimes what seems to be upper eyelid skin excess is actually drooping eyebrows, and I can help figure out whether or not a brow lift is indicated in conjunction with an upper eyelid blepharoplasty or even on its own. A lower eyelid lift can make a dramatic difference in the way a person appears because it can get rid of that puffiness and tiredness that people often complain about around the lower eyelids. What's really neat about eyelid lift surgery is there's such a dramatic change from the preoperative appearance around the eyes and the postoperative appearance. People seem more awake and you can finally see their eyes. I've had patients who said they look at least 10 years younger after the procedure. Since the eyelid skin is so thin and delicate, there can be bruising after the procedure, and so typically people will plan on having about 2 weeks where they may want to camouflage bruising or redness around the eyes with dark sunglasses and avoid any big social events. I've noticed that around wedding season, eyelid lifts become much more popular because mothers of the bride or other women involved in the wedding party notice that pictures look much better once the lids get taken care of.